Hi, I'm Eddie and this is Cut It Out Cards. We have printable cards that are downloadable and it comes through your printer. If you haven't got the 200 GSM, which is a cardboard that you put in your printer, and your printer will be able to take that sort of cardboard. You can just print out a sheet like of normal print paper like this, and then we can mount it onto a piece of cardboard. And I like my honey poppers, as you can tell. Not that I'm advertising, but anyway, we'll cut around the border there. I'll just show you how to quickly make it. I won't colour it in because it's going to be not very interesting for you. But you get the idea that you can do that. So just cut around the border. You can do that with scissors. So that's pretty great machine. So we've got our piece of paper, which we're going to make into a card. So now we can laminate that onto there, and it'll be thick and cardboard-like. So use our glue stick, and then it doesn't make the paper wrinkle. Go around the edge, close to the edges. A little bit in the middle. So it looks pretty good. And then I'm going to stick it on the shiny side. So you can stick it anywhere, it's going to be flat. So give it a bit of a smooth down. Get rid of some of those wrinkles. You can see those wrinkles just disappear. So now we've got that. And now we can just trim up the edges. So this is my first run of doing this, so let's see how it goes. Look at that, it works perfect of course. That's good. So there's, if you just want to print out 1 or 2 cards, that makes it really easy. You just want some cardboard, because you want to get stuck into it, have some fun. I can appreciate that. You don't want to go to the printer shop and get the cardboard. But let's say you want to do a whole lot of cards. Well then you can just print them out one by one. So it makes it easier with the printed type 200 sized cardboard. Okay, and that one didn't quite cut through. It's alright, we'll use our scissors. We can cut through there. See it cut it a little bit rough on that edge, so maybe we can come in a bit nicer on there. Maybe we could keep it straight for longer. So that's pretty good. So now we could colour it all in, and then we've got a fold line there. So yeah, we can fold it over so edge meets edge. There we go. And there we have it, our card. Yeah, so you can just write in there. Somehow I've got some pink. It must have had a dirty table. So yeah, and you can write your best wishes there, and we've got downloadable messages you can put in there as well. So and pockets that can hold those messages. So there we go. It's that easy. Just print, laminate it onto a piece of cardboard, like from your Wheaties packet or whatever, and colour in. So yeah, so you don't need to go to the store, but you can do. It really depends on you. So yeah, nothing's stopping you getting started. Okay, have fun.